This is Robert Kraft, and I'm coming to you live on SNNLive, and we're here at the Precious Metals Summit 2016 in Beaver Creek, Colorado. With me right now is Jeff Pontius from Corvus Gold, publicly traded company, couple symbols for you, KOR on the TSX and CORVF on the OTCQX. Jeff, welcome to SNNLive.
Thanks, Bob. It's great being here.
It's great to have you on our program.
Yeah.
So for our audience, let's get an overview of the company first, and
Sure.
then we'll go from there.
Corvus is really an exploration company. We've got a large asset in Nevada. It's open pit, oxide in the Walker Lane, about 2-hour drive north of Las Vegas. Right now we've got about 1.2 million ounces of recoverable gold in the deposit in pit and another 2.5 million ounces of silver. So we're right at the beginning phases of exploring and really developing what we think is going to be a really great new gold discovery in Nevada. We're working away a lot and doing a lot of drilling. So you can see a lot of drilling results coming out of Corvus Gold.
And by open pit, you mean it's near surface, right? Is that one?
Right. It's from the surface down to about 200 meters deep, 600 feet basically. It has a 0.6 to 1 strip ratio, so it's quite economic. The low-grade mineralization goes as a heap leach, run-of-mine heap leach product, and the higher-grade 2-gram mineralization goes through an oxide mill.
So give me a little history of the company. You know, how did you end up here and get this project going?
Well, it's interesting. I used to run exploration for AngloGold Ashanti for North America. I left them in 2006, set up a company called International Tower Hill Mines. We made a big discovery north of Fairbanks, Alaska. Part of our portfolio of projects was an asset I had in Nevada, North Bullfrog, the one we have now. And in 2010, we decided one part of the company would go forward with taking this large project in Alaska to production, and we would spin off the early stage exploration assets into Corvus Gold. I'm an exploration geologist. I've had a lot of success over my career, so I chose to go into the exploration entity. We started drilling, and we came out with our first resource in 2015.
So tell me a little bit about that resource, and have you done some drill, or you already said you did some drilling on it since then too?
Yeah, we've got about 75,000 meters of drilling in it. We spent about $40 million. We've developed the project, moved along permitting wise, and we've also taken this project into an exploration phase, into a large extension of it to the east. We did our first round of exploration drilling out there last year, had some good success, and it looks like we're on to a few new deposits out in that area. We start our next phase of drilling, which is a 7,000 meter program this fall, and that will begin in probably about 2 weeks.
Are there any majors in the area around the project?
Well, we are just north of the old Bullfrog mine, which was operated by Barrick Gold. It was mined in the 1990s, produced about 3 million ounces of gold at about 2 grams a ton. A very similar deposit to what we have. Those guys finished mining in 2000, so there really hasn't been much exploration activity until we came into the district. So that's why there's a lot of potential right now on the project.
And you went over your background a little bit, but can you get into it, just a little bit more? Because you said you had a couple successes in a past life. Yeah.
As I said, I ran exploration for AngloGold Ashanti for North America. One of my discoveries and successes was the Cripple Creek project, about a 30 million ounce discovery in Colorado here, not very far away. Also had 2 small discoveries in Nevada, about 1 million ounces each. And then, of course, we had our new discovery that we had at Live and Good with ITH that I was able to make there. It's about 10 million ounce deposit, so a lot of ounces under the water here.
And you have the team or tell me a little bit about the team in place that you have for Corvus.
The team is basically my team from AngloGold. They came with me to ITH. Then when we formed Corvus, they came over to Corvus. A group of people I've worked with quite a bit. Our board of directors have got some great people on it. Steve Ocker just retired as the chief operating officer for Franco-Nevada. We've got Catherine Gignac. Catherine ran Northland Capital. She's our chairman of our board. We've got Ed Yarrow, a guy I worked with when we were with the Anglo-American group. And Ed just retired as running exploration for Anglo-American for the Northern Hemisphere. So a lot of good talent in this company.
So from what you can tell me, what are some of the goals and milestones for the company for the rest of the year going into 2017?
Yeah, we're looking to push our resource base and our mine plan up to about 150,000 ounces of production per year for 10 years. And we'll get that in our next round of resource update and PEA that we're going to do. That should be out in the first half of next year after we finish this next round of drilling. That's an important milestone for us to get to. In Nevada, there's not very many of these 100% owned assets that are controlled by juniors. And so this is a great opportunity to build this asset up. Lots of people interested in an oxide gold deposit in Nevada right now, and we're having a lot of interest in the company. So I think it's going to be good for the shareholders as we go down the road.
I was just going to ask, are you guys planning on taking this, all the way through the mining process, or potentially, farming it out to a large mining company to take it?
Yeah, we would. I mean, I've been in this business almost 40 years, and I've seen the difficulties of taking projects through the build-out and through operational side, and we're really going to be looking for a partner to come in and help us do those critical next steps, which is build the asset and then operate the asset. A lot of good operating companies in Nevada, so there's a lot of folks that could help us out on this.
And where can our audience go and find more information about the company?
CorvusGold.com is our website. We have a lot of information there, some great videos on that about the project, where we do some drone video of the whole project site. It's about 72 square kilometers, so there's a lot of targets to look at in those videos.
I was just going to say, there's a lot of land to cover. You need that.
Right. That's true, and we're in a great jurisdiction. We're in Nye County in Nevada, and right outside of a small town called Beatty, Nevada, which is a great mining town that has a lot of good talented people in it. So it's a project that definitely is going to go forward.
Thank you. My name is Robert Kraft, and I'm coming to you live on SNNLive, and we're here at the Precious Metals Summit 2016 in Beaver Creek, Colorado. With me again has been Jeff Pontius from Corvus Gold, publicly traded company, two symbols, KOR on the TSX and CORVF on the OTCQX. Jeff, thank you so much for coming on.
Thanks, Bob. It's great. Thanks.